Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here once again. A new video today, and what we're going to be doing is this. Now it's probably quite hard to tell what this is, but I have cut loads of pieces of acrylic out. I've still got loads more to cut out, and I'm going to be making like a mock stained glass window type thing, but out of acrylic. So I got a couple of different colors of oranges here. I got a few whites here as well. I got some blues to cut out. I do have some pearlescent colors as well. If you haven't seen my other video on how to make your own colored acrylics, I'll put a link there. How to make your own mirrored acrylic. It's exactly the same, but it's just using, instead of like mirrored window tint, I'm just using colored window tint. So I've got oranges and blues, which are the main colors I'm going to be using here. And again, we'll be using the pearlescent wrap as well, which we have used previously. So yeah, click the link there to watch how to do that if you haven't already seen it, and then come back and we're going to get into this. So yeah, I cut these pieces out. They should go back together in a certain shape. How, at the moment, I don't actually know. I'll be right back. I didn't actually design this. I was doing a bit of research on making stained windows because I wanted to do like a replica type one with acrylic. And I came across this image on Google Images, and I thought that's going to be a fantastic thing to do. Most people are going to know what it is, but also it's got lots of different colors in there that we can use and mess around with. So yeah, I got my pieces here. I'm going to try and put it together. So that one I do know what it is. It is the eye, so it's nice and easy. Should have an eyeball around you somewhere. So my plan is to put all this together. I'm going to hot glue the back of it, the pieces together, using hot glue, but with black sticks. And I've also got, let me see if it's down here, which it is. So I don't know if anyone's familiar with stained windows or how they work, but they're usually made, so with the pieces they put like a metal film between the pieces, like I think it's copper, and then they put all the pieces together, and then they'll solder all the pieces on top so they all stick together. But obviously this is acrylic, solder is not really gonna work because it'll just melt it. So I bought this off eBay. Bought this. I was hoping it would be just like a black tape for, like, again, mock stained glass windows, but it's not. It's actual real metal, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to bend it, but I'm going to try and put that then on the other side of the glass. So we're going to see if we can get this together now and try and line everything up. And already should have labelled the parts. Right, just pop all these bits together. So we'll do the fish first of all. Try and get the pieces as close as we can. Probably an easier way to do this. I think I just threw a piece on the floor.
One eternity later.
Right, so that's all stuck down at the moment. I'm not sure how well you can see that. Oh, see a couple of gaps on the back. But there we go. It's looking good so far. It's a bit of a mess, but this is just going to be the back of it. So when we flip them around, well, that's still hot. We'll wait for that to fully dry now, and I'll come back and then we'll try putting this on the front then. I hope I can get it around the bends. It is very bendy, very malleable, but I don't know how well it's going to work. So yeah, we'll let this all dry off. I'll come back and then we'll get that done. Right guys, that's all dried up. We're going to try and flip them over. It feels a lot more sturdy than what it did. I wasn't sure if it was going to actually just all fall apart, but the tape could obviously be holding it in place as well. But yeah, like that's looking so good at the moment. I didn't do his mouth, it's fine. Right, let's take the tape off. And yeah, let's hope for the best. Okay, still in one piece. So you can see it's a lot more transparent now. Like it actually looks good because you can't really see the glue at all, to be honest with you. I could have probably gone a bit thicker with the glue, but I like that. Let me just get me scissors. So yeah, I don't know how well it might work. I don't know. I've never done it before. Let's give it a go. It's self-adhesive, luckily, so I can just peel the backing off. Oh, there we go. And let's just start. We'll start by here for now. So it cuts nice and easy, at least, anyway. This did come with a little tool. this come with this little tool, so I'm assuming this little thing is to push it down with, maybe. I don't know, I know about as much as you, unless you know. But it's working. Oh no, I just pulled it all off. It's working a lot better than what I thought it would. I think, I'm going to end that there. So cut that there.
One eternity later.
Right then, guys, I've pretty much done it all. Look at that. Apart from the spherical bit, so around the eye and around the bubbles. Because, yes, this stuff's quite hard to get around the bends. So I'm just going to, again, hot glue it in with black glue, and I'm hoping it doesn't stand out too much. So I'm going to try and be as neat as I can with these. It probably would have just been easier to do this, but I think it would have taken me longer because you've got to be super careful with it compared to, oh god, burning myself, compared to using the tape. String in. think that's everything. Pop a bit in here because this was really hard to get. A bit there. Try and join any gaps. So much stringing with this glue gun. It's like trying to 3D print. A tiny little line I missed there. I think that's it, guys. There are bits to go around the outside with, but to be honest with you, I'm happy with the way that looks. Let me try and get that in the light for you so we can see exactly how it looks. But yeah, I reckon that looks so cool. It's transparent. All I need now is one of them little like boat windows in my house so I can pop it in. Whoa. I am really happy how it turned out. It could have gone better. I could have got a better tape, but I know for future now not to get actual metallic tape because that stuff is so hard to work with. And in regards to the design, I think I'll make the tolerances a bit tighter because there were a couple of gaps I had to kind of work around. And yeah, that's about it. But apart from that, I am well happy with how that turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you think that's good or not. If you'd like to see the file on a Free File episode, a Free File Friday episode, yeah, again, let me know. If you've enjoyed it though, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, give it a thumbs down. Put a comment in if you want to let me know what you think of it, if you've got any questions or anything like that at all. And yeah, if you're new here, subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. And yeah, I really do appreciate it. Just clean this up as I'm going. But yeah, there we go, guys. That's done. I really do hope you enjoyed it. There'll be another episode of Free File Friday coming up this Friday. If you want this actual file, I'll show you how to make this file. But if not, I'll do another episode, and we'll do this at a later time. All right. So thank you very much for checking out the video, guys. I hope you all have a good one. Ta-ra.